In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contact information in HoneyBook. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're on your main dashboard before moving on. Starting from the dashboard helps you follow the process smoothly and makes it easier to find the tools you need. Once you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar and click Contacts. This section is where HoneyBook stores the people and businesses you work with, so it's the right place to manage existing client details. After you open Contacts, you'll see your contact list, where you can browse or search for the person whose information needs to be changed. Next, locate the contact you want to edit. If you have a long list of contacts, take a moment to carefully find the correct one before making any updates. This is especially important if you have similar names in your account, since editing the wrong contact could create confusion later. After you find the right contact, open that contact's options menu. This menu gives you access to actions related to that specific contact. From the available options, click Edit Contact Info. This will open the contact's details so you can make changes directly. Now, update the information you need to change. This may include the contact's name, email address, phone number, or any other available details in the contact record. As you edit, it's a good idea to double-check spelling, formatting, and accuracy. Clean and accurate contact information helps keep your communication organized and ensures future emails, messages, and project details go to the right person. Once you've made your changes, review the updated information carefully. Take a quick moment to confirm that every field looks correct and that you didn't accidentally remove or mistype anything. A final review can help prevent small mistakes that are easy to miss while editing. When everything looks good, click Save. This confirms your changes and updates the contact record in HoneyBook. After saving, verify that the contact information has been updated successfully. You can do this by checking the contact profile again and making sure the new details appear exactly as intended. If the update is visible and correct, then you're all set. Keeping contact records current is a simple but important part of staying organized in HoneyBook, and it can make your client communication much more efficient. Thanks for watching.